So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. So there's a few things you can do with that. The first thing you want to do is go to copilotmicrosoft.com. After that, just give him a prompt that's going to take a while. So just type in give me a random image of a cat, and you can just go ahead and click this button so you can interrupt it, and you can see here it's not going to be typed out anymore, so you've stopped it from working. There's another way you can do that as well. So let's go to the settings. Once you click on settings, so you will go to system settings, you can see some of the options on here, and you can click on personalization. Once you click on personalization, you can go to taskbar, and on here you will see the option, if you have the Microsoft Copilot app, of switching off that app so it doesn't really function when it's not open and in full use. So there's a couple of ways that you can turn off Copilot on your PC. The first one is this: just if you give Copilot something like think deeper, it's going to take a while to generate a response. You change your mind, you don't want the response, just click the stop button right here and it will stop trying to give you some sort of response. And you can do that also through the settings on your PC. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Copilot or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.